How's it going, everyone? It is Andre Williams, and today, you know what time it is? It is time for the joke of the day. I do these 5 days throughout the week just in case you had a long day and you just want to hear one of my corny jokes. So here it comes. I don't trust stairs. They're always up to something. Come on. But anyway, so we're going to be talking about AMC. Say it with me now. AMC. It is killing it. Literally, AMC was at $5 and the 80 cents range at the beginning of the week. And you know what? I'm going to go into the technical analysis and update you guys on how great of a day it has been, and also showing you guys support levels, resistance levels, and things that you need to look at just in case you're interested in actually building out your position, or maybe you might want to average down if you got in at a high price. But also remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this isn't financial advice. So when you do invest, just know you're doing it at your own risk. Let's get into the videos. All right, so we're going to be doing a technical analysis on AMC that absolutely crushed it today. I'm super excited to do this video for you guys and share this with you. So let's first start off what happened in the pre-market today. So we ended up closing yesterday. As you can see here, right around the after hours here, we were around $7.37, and then we had a nice little gap up to $7.49. And to kind of just go over this quickly, because I usually do this in the beginning of these videos, overall AMC was up 18% on the day, and currently in after hours it's up 11%. So what does that mean? What does that really mean? AMC is running right now, killing it in after hours. As far as for the day is concerned, even though we did finish up on the day, we ought to take into consideration that it finished at $9.09. If you guys don't remember what the previous close was, here's where the previous close was. Around $7. Let's just call that around $7.70. $7.70. So again, this is great to see. But anyways, let's start getting into it. Let me just set this up for us right now. All right. So as you can see, if you take a look here, considering there were a lot of stocks that were very wonky in the pre-market, but AMC kept it very, very consistent. As you can see, look at this support area here. So all the way from 4 when the market opened, carrying it over. Yeah, we had some little upward movement here, but literally all the way almost into open, holding down that 730, the 720s, literally. Like, that's crazy, holding down that 740 area very, very well. So now what we're going to do. All right. So now, as we can see, we're going to be getting into the regular trading hours. So we end up hitting a low here of $6.99. No big deal, because what does AMC does? Recovers. As you can see here, even down on the RSI, we're literally around 30, right? Which is a really good area if anyone is thinking about adding to their positions. So we get to $6.99 and then have a strong move. So from $9.40, we end up getting all the way up to $8.38 at $11.10. So we did a great job, especially up until this point, up until 12, staying above VWAP and keeping that momentum, right? So here's what ends up happening. Usually around lunchtime, hey, there's a lot of traders that, hey, they take a break, right? So sometimes it can go two ways. You could have some sell-offs that happen, or you could have some moves to the upside. It all depends on the stock. And all things considered with AMC, it is up quite a bit. And I do know that there's a lot more selling just for the mere fact that there's a lot of people who are holding shares and want to pretty much just get out of their positions. Let's be real here, right? So now, as we see and we take a look here, where do we have some support? Right? We have another piece of support here at $7.83, right? $7, whether it's $7 in the 70 range or $7 in the 80 range, right? So we notice those highs here were testing above right at that 785, right? But these particular areas, we also got to take a look. These are resistance areas, right? Because we tried testing these on multiple different occasions. So if we look at over here, this became a resistance area from 1210 all the way over here to 310. All right. And it was literally floating underneath VWAP here the entire time. Usually when things like this happen with stocks, especially as it gets towards the end of the day, they tend to dip down even further. But no, this did not happen. Like I said, there's still many people who are buying into AMC and they're holding their shares. And also, as we looked at the other day, AMC still remains to be a heavily shorted stock as well. But anyways, what ends up happening, as you can see, it really comes to life what we call power hour. So power hour came into effect when we look at 3 o'clock going into 4. We ended up reaching a high of $9.63, and this ended up becoming that new resistance area towards the end of the day. You can see we tried to retest it again by that big red candle, as you can see, but hey, we ended up getting knocked down, but that's okay. That is perfectly fine, because as you can see right over here, we ended up finishing the day at $9 and about $9.09. That is amazing, considering that we had a low today of $6.99. As you can see, there wasn't too much volume like near the beginning, but look at that amount of volume that we had towards the end. A lot of buying going on and so forth. And that's things that you literally want to see, especially towards the end of the day. So now let's take a look at what was going down in the, oh man, what was going down at after hours. Literally, we had a strong move to the upside, reaching a high of $11.38. And this was literally like I'm still shocked. This is at 4:45 p.m. hitting 11:38. This is exciting. Again, we got to take into consideration this was a stock at the beginning of the week that was in the $5 range. It was in the $5 range. Let's go back, just in case anyone may have forgotten, or maybe they weren't aware of this and so forth. We're going to be going back, all right? So look at this. February the 22nd. We were at $5. Like we opened up today around $5.86, all right? I'm not opening up the chart even further to see, but you guys can kind of see where the range it was, right? Like, look at that. Look, $5.80. And here we are, AMC at $10.13. Again, this is I'm super excited. You guys can probably tell by my tone right now, but this is what we want to see. So as far as for tomorrow, if we end up making a gap up, I'm definitely expecting to see us make a gap up to around this 1040 area. All right, this is just assuming, because I know right now it's 5:37 and after hours does not finish until 8 o'clock. There definitely could be changes, but if we stay in this particular area, I would expect us to see if things are actually going in a direction where we want it to go, to gap up around 1040, maybe possibly around 1060. If we end up gapping down, the next level that I could actually see in regards to a gap down, maybe around 980 to 960. Those are those particular areas. And if there ends up being any severe pullbacks first thing in the morning, as we saw a pullback here at $6.99, then hey, I think the next pullback for tomorrow, if it's going downwards, honestly, I'm seeing maybe $8 might be that low of the day. If this momentum keeps on, we got to understand that, hey, a lot more people are going to get excited. A lot of people know about AMC. So the low of the day tomorrow, I'm definitely thinking it's going to be a lot higher than $6.99. That's for damn sure. But hey, we're excited about this. Excited to see where this is going. Anyone who added to their positions early in the week, or even today when it was at $6.99, my hat's off to you. Even if it was in this range here, as we even take a look at the RSI, it was at around 25 when it was at $7.55. Hey, like, kudos to you if you took advantage of that opportunity as well, all right? So my final thoughts on AMC, I am very, very impressed. As many of you know, I've been a shareholder for quite some time, and seeing it make this move, like, hey, I'm lost for words. We spoke about this yesterday. A lot of people are realizing, hey, when things open back up and the more vaccines are out there and everything starts going back to normal, then AMC is one of those stocks that's going to be a big time mover. It's already moving already. We already know there's a lot of institutions that also bought into AMC when it was in those lower ranges as well. So again, we are seeing there's a lot of upside, and I can't wait to see what happens for tomorrow. I'll be talking to you guys soon, and stay tuned for the videos that'll be coming out after this one. Peace.